Yeah, he's crying though. Why is he doing that?
Probably hurting it. They're probably spicy.
Yeah, they are. Oh, he caught it, dude.
You're giving them hot Cheetos.
Huh?
So you're giving them hot Cheetos, of course.
Look at, like, what the fuck is this?
That's just crazy. Like out of all the birds, there's only 2 brown ones.
Nice one on that one over there.
Yeah.
No, like the one over there, babe. The black beak. Oh, he caught it again. What the fuck? Oh, look at that. Good for you, babe. I'm throwing your chips over there.
No, it's okay.
Sorry, fellas.
Show's over. You're so mean. You should have given them the Subway.
Oh, shit. They look still around. Look, oh, shit. They're surrounding us. They're not tagging the shit on us, babe.
I know. Like they got food. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Surrounding us.
Look at that. Yeah. My.
Oh, God. Oh, you fucker.
Holy shit.
It's a big one. Get it. Oh,
shit. Yes.
That's tight.
Oh, that was crazy.
Holy shit.
I thought I was going to land on my face.
The shit out of it. It's tight, man. Look, check it out.
Oh, that's crazy. They better not poop on us.
Get it.
They missed.
That's tight. Oh, you fuckers.
Yeah, I don't want shit on top of you.
Get it. Oh! You got it?
That's crazy.
That's tight.
Oh, shit.
Chicken, fellas. Here's for you, buddy. You by yourself.
Chicken. You're feeding them chicken.
Oh! Good job, man.
I don't want to get pooped.
Let's see who gets the big one, babe. Over here, fellas. Oh, you gonna get it out of my hand?
Ah, no. What the fuck?
Oh, you fucker. I'm sorry, dude. I hit that one.
I heard that. Oh, shit. What was gonna happen when we run out?
Why is he eating?
Holy shit. Now you're gonna take the chips, watch. That's crazy. Oh shit.
People are fucking sick with it. Get it.
I see where you get it from.
Huh?
You catch the food too.
I'm sorry, fellas.
Damn, they're fucking close. This is crazy.
That's tight, man. Hey,
oh my god. I know. Look, they're waiting. This is crazy.
And they're waiting for don't shit at me.
That'd be funny. We're looking up and they're like,
right now, man.
Oh, that's gross. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Oh, it's fucking tight, dude. Let's go, fellas. Catch it. We're gonna catch him.
Oh, wow.
Over there.
That's
Over here.
That'd be funny if they snap it from your head.
Yeah, they want to, babe. They want to.
They're scared. Shit.
Here, fella. Ah, where you going? Come here.
Oh, crazy.
Get it. Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, they're gonna freaking eat me. Watch.
You're like, you feed me. That's tight.
It's always on the floor.
Oh, look at that big one. Look at that white one.
I know.
Oh.
That's brown.
Dang, babe, I'll give them all your chips.
It's okay. This is fun.
I'm gonna get close.
You don't have a hot Cheeto? There's no hot Cheetos anymore? You just grab the stick and see who gets it.
I'm gonna get close.
What?
You wanna fly? You wanna fly?
No, waiting. No, they don't want to fly. Oh, wait.
You want to?
She didn't reply.
Let's back up, babe, for the kilo. Tell her. We're too close to the food, see? First time I've never seen them so close.
Me either.
I ain't never seen them fly like that though. And just
I know.
Let's see, babe. I want to see this video.
Hold up, I'm still recording. Oh,
Sorry,
it's
fellas.
huge.
I know, you're too late, you fucking idiot. You too.
Entre más grandes, más.
Hey, man, that's tight, dude. See how they're flying like.
Yeah, like right on top of our faces. Yes, I did
Look
see
my
that.
hand? You guys don't have tongues.
Oh, that's
like,
crazy.
man, what the fuck did it feed us, eh?
Imagine if you get them all faded, that'd be crazy. Bring eggs and shit. They're leaving. That's it. Fun's over. That's crazy.
Damn, they chopped up all the food, babe. They did not leave one.
Look at me back.
She pussy.